Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing credentials and the minimal tooling. First, log into the Azure portal and note the subscription ID and target resource group. You need these to scope tracking. Once done, register an Azure AD application, grant it monitoring and storage read permissions, and securely copy the client ID and secret. Next, install the Ray Azure Wallet Tracker CLI or browser extension, authenticate with the Azure app, and paste your Ray wallet address so the tracker can correlate on-chain activity to your Azure resources. You now configure the core tracking rules that do the heavy lifting. Start by mapping your Ray wallet address to Azure resource tags. This ties payments to specific VMs or storage. Then set a sampling rate and retention window so you collect enough data without overload. For example, poll every 5 minutes and retain 30 days. Make sure to define alert thresholds for cost spikes or suspicious transfers. Finally, craft the query filters for event types and transaction ID, so the tracker only ingests relevant records. You finish by validating and hardening the setup. First, run a dry run to confirm mappings, inspect sample outputs, and adjust query windows until results align with expected transactions. Then enable alerting, store credentials in Azure Key Vault, and set key rotation policies. Once live, monitor logs for missed correlations. If things go wrong, most often you'll see mismatches. Make sure timestamps are synchronized between systems and that resource tags exactly match the mapping. Fix tag typos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.